Hello, my name is Guenter Jagschies. I'm working at GE Healthcare Life Sciences here in Uppsala in Sweden since 30 years now. I'm with the bioprocess division of our company. And my current role is strategic customer relations leader, which means that I'm representing this business externally at conferences, in publications like in papers and books, and also in business meetings and collaborative efforts that we make between our R&D and our customers' R&D units.
Thanks for being here, Guenter. We're going to talk about GE's technologies and products today. Could you tell us a little bit about what makes GE's technologies unique to the industry and what benefits they're bringing to biopharmaceutical companies?
Our products and our technologies are based on the challenges that you are facing, both now and in the future. We are always focusing on process economics and efficiency of manufacturing when we address a new development project, and we typically do so in collaboration with you. So, for example, with our chromatography resins, we have been focusing on capacity and on volume handling and improving those to match the increased productivity from the bioreactors that we are seeing with mammalian cell culture. With our equipment, we have focused on automation, and this automation should always enable you to cut out non-productive activities, non-productive time from your operations.
Thank you, Guenter. Can you give an example of how GE's products and services have changed the biomanufacturing industry, and any specific examples of where GE's helped make significant advances?
Given the fact that we are seeing trends towards precision medicine, smaller patient populations, orphan disease, again, smaller patient populations, but also in-country, for-country manufacturing demands from governments, and then, of course, more potent drugs in the beginning, which would require less manufacturing per dose. We think that an infrastructure needs to be built that is dedicated to this relatively small-scale manufacturing and allows the same low-cost production that we are otherwise only used from very large-scale stainless steel-based manufacturing facilities throughout the world. We have done this. We have pulled together our offerings and put them into a facility concept that we call QBio or Flex Factory. Axichrome columns are actually one example of how GE Healthcare has developed the technology to eliminate non-productive steps. In this case, most of the column packing efforts. We have reduced the failure rate to a very low level. We have put all the intelligence that is required, all the methods that are needed to pack a column into what we call intelligent packing software and hardware. And so basically this allows you to consider at least removing any redundancy equipment which you would need if you would spend a lot of time offline packing these columns and instead move the packing into the production line where it will take a very short time compared to previous status, and you can then expect to operate with short changeover times with such a column. The Axichrome column is really a fascinating product. I would like to invite you to take a look at it at our exhibition booth. We have a 160 centimeter diameter column sitting there, waiting for you to take a look. And thank you for considering us for your business. Thank you very much and goodbye.